leave you be.
All right, so I am at the Mount Washington Cog Railway, which I've never done before, and I'm super excited. Here with some friends. If you look behind me, that is the train track, and one of my friends was telling me some really cool things about this ravine and how you have to, crisscross across it here. Yeah, I am super excited. It is a gorgeous day. Looks like we're gonna have a clear day up at the summit. So yeah, I will take some more videos from inside the train. I am on the train. My friends are right behind me. I'm not gonna show them in the video, but I've got a very good seat out the window. You can see where it is. So yeah, I'm very excited. Benches, right now feel like I'm gonna slide off of them, but they're actually designed so when I'm going up the mountain, it brings you so you're sitting correctly. Like, look at this. It's like you can see how it's kind of slipped down. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. This is
now, as we're passing the train, I always like to point out, look underneath the engine, look to your front one across, you see that cog wheel. You see how it sits in that rack, and how it's just fixed. That's how it does with driving the spool. That's how it kind of up down. Really cool. You look underneath, you see those cogs sitting in that rack. That's how you can up down. We like to do that. Many years ago, the original people that lived in this area with the Abenaki tribe lived here for many years. They originally named these mountains Wombat. Now, when you translate Wombat from Abenaki to English, it means snow-covered mountains, which really fits these mountains because there's snow on them 9 months out of the year. 37.41 grade. It also is our biggest trestle, and it's 30 feet off the ground. Now, if you notice on the right, you see these metal cables. That's tied to our tracks and anchored to big rocks. And that's because in 1938, we actually had a big hurricane come through here and knocked all the victims onto the side. Now, the owner at the time was able to borrow money from Dartmouth College and borrow and get a lot of manpower, so he was able to rebuild the Inglesider and run in the summer of 1938. Now, the reason why we call it the Hurricane Chain of 1938 is because at the time there weren't any hurricanes, and they started getting hurricanes until 1955. Now, see that pond? That is Cherry Pond. Past Cherry Pond, those mountains are the same. Alright, so we're crossing the Appalachian Mountain Trail right now. Right here on your right, that is the Sherman Adams Summit Building, named after our 67 Governor, Sherman Adams. Now the building's not open, but you go around the building, go up a ramp, and you can get onto the building like those people are, and you get a 360-degree view of the summit. It's really cool. That medieval-looking tower, that is the electronics box section when you're on board.
Washington. It's such a beautiful day. It's like 39 degrees up here. It was like 70 down below, and it's very windy, but it's spectacular. Whoop. Need to not, let's put my hat on like this to keep it on. But here, check this out behind me. How pretty it is. So you can see. Anyway, yeah, it's stunning up here. See how beautiful it is. Wow. Yeah, this is another view from another section of this platform. I have to hold on to my camera or the wind is going to make me drop the phone. So just look at how beautiful it is behind me. It's just stunning. Oh, there's the train. All right. Say all the time that I love nature but hate the outdoors. But, you know, this is the kind of outdoors that I actually really love. Like the amazing scenery and like scrambling up rocks to see something stunning is something that I just find incredibly satisfying. So this is a really fun, beautiful, wonderful day. What's down this thing, but it looks like it will go somewhere very pretty. Just look at these views. Oh, it just goes down to the parking lot. But, okay, that's the train, so I have to go back. That was the train. Beep, beep. So it is time for us to hurry back to the train. This is me hurrying back to the train. This was an extremely fun little adventure, and I am so happy that my friends wanted to do this adventure with me. Yeah. So, all right, back to the train. The seats are facing the other direction, and I feel like I am like leaning the hell back. So this is gonna be really fun.
We're gonna pause right here.
On the way down,
First they started
I
as
hope you can hear me.
horizontal boilers and these
And
blow
we're
up
about
and
to
down.
enter the halfway
Then we switched
point,
over to
and
vertical boilers. These blow
I
inside
just
to
felt my
side.
ears starting to
1910
pop.
we fully switched
So
over to coal-fired steam engines.
this has been a lot
We
of
still run
fun.
them to this day.
This is where I'm at. We're getting ready to leave. It's just the most stunning day today, and just can't believe the perfect weather we had, and it was beautiful up on the summit. And yeah, this was an amazing day.